Yepa. Yeah. Fuck you, motherfucker. Go fuck you. Lembawi. Shele longe ni data. Yeah. Oh fuck you, go fuck you. Hey. Longbe ni data. Bàbá sì jí lélẹ̀ bàbá mi nìjẹ̀bú. Yepa. Orí iná nìkan. Ẹ jẹ́ n wọ bẹ́lí tọ̀pù kí n sú ara mi. Yepa. Okay now. Ẹ̀yin tàbí kẹ́. Ijó yìí náà ní nǹkan. Ọmọ yìí náà ní. Ẹ má bínú. Wọ́n ní iṣẹ́ tuntun yàtọ̀ ní túmọ̀ ta tẹ́ǹtì sẹ́yìn o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe parí ní lórúkọ Jagaban lẹ́lẹ́kẹfà. Oh my God. Hi everyone. Ṣé wà? Gbogbo lẹ́sẹ̀ wà ó sálàáfíà lábá yín o. Yes o. Èmi gan sáìtì yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ sáìtì èmi náà. Yay. Abike. Yepa. Níbi tí lẹ́ràn láàárọ̀ ẹ̀yìn tẹ̀ ń bọ́dọ̀ òun lé. Ṣé kí ọmọ dì? Ẹ̀yìn tẹ̀ ń bọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀rí bẹ̀ ṣe lẹ́ràn lára. Yéé, Abike lẹ́ràn lára jẹ. Ẹ má fi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kó. Yay! Fuck you, motherfucker. Hey, baby. On a Friday. Hey, Joe. I want to bugger. I will watch it there. Are you okay? Sarah, I'm alone. Ẹ ṣàmọ ẹ máa jó ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ fi jó sí. Yepa. Ijó yìí náà ni. Ẹ kú ilé. Jẹ́ ẹjọ́ fáwọn ọmọ mi. Jápẹ́. Jápẹ́ o. Jápẹ́ ábà. Jápẹ́. Jápẹ́. Ijó yìí náà nìkan. Ẹgẹ́ ń jó. Thank you, Auntie Abo. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I welcome every one of you on this evening live chat on Facebook. with Abike Jagaban. Ajagungbare one. Olú ọmọ tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ìjayà gbogbo àwọn bully lórí social media. Ẹkùn ọkọ somebody don't have the root. Abike ọkọ Àjàbí yìí lórí nǹkan. Ilé gbàrórúkọ. Olú ọmọ tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ìdágìrì fún gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá yẹ. Yes, o the genie that destroys the sitting, the planning of bullies on social media. Yes, my way about genie. Thank you, my sister. You like my outfit? Yes, so lomo yin aranda to ma ti le gberu mi jade ani ko so mama lodo wo. Ire lo nse. Yay! Yay! Mama love Pokusu. It's a Friday night, Sham. Hello. Again, Fayuba, let come and share on the solo. Shamo. Oh, you know, Ninka. Share gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Adúpẹ́ o. I welcome you all on this medium with Abike Jagaban on Facebook live chat. Thank you, everyone. Auntie Awadeleke. Thank you for joining. I love you too. You know, Ninka Ilewaku Bankiti. You are dreaming over me, Bankiti. Dreaming over a wombe. Hey, Wabangwa. Yeah, you like my top? It's a crop top. Mama rocks. At this age, Ima wa crop top wa 50 at 16. Walai. In crop jeans, in crop top, in belly show for ọ̀tá mi. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀tá ya Abike Jagaban te bo sọ pé kò sọ ọmọ láre wọ́n ní inú ẹ jáde jẹ́ ká wo ọmọ tó wà lára yín bóyá ó bá tàbí kẹrùn. Thank you, Jare, my sister Stella Grimes. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. I'm tired though. Ìjọ yìí náà ní nǹkan àbágbà lóye kò fẹ́ jẹ́ kí wọ́n yí àgbàwé lọ́gbà táwọn ọmọ mi bíi sister Ellie tó ń kó délẹ̀ tó ń ra délẹ̀ tó ń mu tó Ọlọ́run àwọn méjì baddest ni wọ́n. Thank you so much, Auntie Abo. You are more pretty. Thank you, everyone. Okay, I can see my people. I can see Zaina. Thank you, everyone, for joining. It's Abike Jagaban. Auntie Bumini, kina se fún wa yan ni kan mo fi gbé wa lárugẹ ká sa mo se so ká mo tẹ carpet ká mo tẹ poster. Ọlọ́run ó ṣàánú mi. Anyway, thank you guys. Happy Friday. Thank God it's Friday. I'm having fun. I'm trying as much as possible to rest like a week after the party just to recover. Mo kinti yeran létí tẹ́lẹ̀. Kini party un dé fún gbogbo size 12 gan fẹ́ máa jábọ́ lára mi ni. In si lè padà sí size 10 yo. No, I don't want to be a size 10 anymore. I used to be a size 8, 10 before up till, let me see, 2015. It was after 2015 that I grew bigger and I was opting for a size 12, between 12 and 14. But now before the party, I was just going down. Now I'm a perfect 12 again. I hope I won't go back to a size 10. No, I don't want to be a size 10 because I am quite tall and I don't want to be too tiny for my age and my structure. I'm quite tall. I should have a little bit of flesh here and there. Thank you, Abike Gold, my darling sister. I love you. You are a darling. Eye ká máa jó. Ayuba ló kàn lálẹ́. O ṣé. Aba. Ọmọ yìí sí àpọ̀jù lọ́wọ́ ọmọ yìí. Thank you, Bukola. Thank you. Oh, Tisa. Danya. Ìgbọ́ yìí mọ́. Bàbá mi sí. Ìsìnmọ́ tí wọ́n sọ gba ọkí ní tẹ́sẹ̀ ti Nàìjíríà yìí gan. Àwọn ìkàlẹ́ Nàìjíríà lọ ẹ̀rọ̀nù ìgbà yín wá ihun tí ó yẹ yín ni o ẹ sáàmù ilé ṣe dry some bẹ́ẹ̀ lálẹ́ yìí. It's a Friday night ẹ sábà wá náà ìsinmi àbíbò òun mo jẹ́ kó pariwo ju o. Ọlọ́run ló ṣe yóò. Sarah Ramon solo. Anyway, people, I deliberately would like you all to stare at my poster. Yes, that's the latest thing now. I'm going to be wearing that as a trademark Abike Jagaban show. She's a brand name. She's well known by virtually whole Nigerian household in diaspora. So thank God for that. We can't deny her that fame, that celebrity honor. She's such a big brand. Everywhere she goes, you hear people call her every now and then Abike Jagaban, in a very nice, cuddly and warm way. You can tell that people appreciate what your baby is doing. Unlike some people, hey, ọlọ́mọdé kan lólúwa rẹ̀ kọ́ lọ sọ́lúwa rẹ̀ lóko nígbà tí a ṣiṣẹ́ burúkú. Ọlọ́mọdé kan bá iṣẹ́ burúkú lọ́wọ́ wa. Ọlọ́mọdé ayàgẹ́ má jẹ́ ẹni ìyà ẹni òfò. Ẹni títí tí ẹ sì ti jóná kò ní kó náà mọ́ títí wá o. Ẹni táyé ẹ ti bàjẹ́ tó ń wẹ́ ní kúnra tó ń wẹ́ ní tó máa mú dání. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kó kó náà mọ́ títí yín o. Ẹni tó bá ti tán fún kò ní gbọ́n tọwọ́ wa dànù o. Ẹni tí ní àjò ẹ bá ti wọ́ láti ilẹ̀ tó wá ń wẹ́ni tó máa mú dání tájọwọ́. Ọlọ́run ò ní sáwa ní victim wọn o. Láṣẹ Ọlọ́run tọmọtọmọ. Àmọ́ lọ́rẹ́ àmọ́ bọ̀rẹ́ o. Àrírí wàhálà o. It's rather unfortunate that I'm going to run tonight's show mostly in Yoruba language. So to my non-Yoruba speaking audience, please, you have to bear with me. It's our, Ale Friday. Our Friday night. You get what I mean? We number the charts. We make it comical. We draw, comedy out of everything we do on Friday night. We don't like, being too boring on this show. So I'm sorry, this is not going to be anything motivational, inspirational, but then we're going to be empowering our fellow women even out of this comical session tonight. We have to encourage women to come out and do something. We have to encourage the young entrepreneurs, to keep doing what they are doing. We need to keep giving them the support and the hope that it's going to be better in case they are just starting off and the beginning is a little bit rough. So ẹ mọ́ bínú kò tún tẹ́ dáwọ́lé náà tí ò ní yọrí sí rere. Wọ́n ní ìbẹ̀rù kì í ṣe oníṣẹ́, wọ́n ní ẹni tó bá gbé dé òpin wọ́n lòun náà ni a ó ṣe kíni òun ni a ó gbà lábí báwo náà ṣe máa ń pòwe òun. Anyway, kò ní ṣe kíní lọ títí àwọn tèmi ní kí n kọrin wọ́n ní kí rántí orin mi ti máa sọ pé Alábíkẹ́ ẹ̀yin ọmọ dára ó dẹjọ́ ó ṣe lọ́lá tó rán mi létí bẹ́yìn bá jọ́kùnrin ẹ̀bá ti ké mi mọ́lé àìjọ́kùnrin ẹ̀bá ti ké mi mọ́yẹ̀ wọ́n ní bóyá ẹ̀yin lè gbé mi tage kí n tiẹ̀ bímọ tó jọ yín. Abike yìí náà ní nǹkan olúọmọ ojú tó ń dẹ́rù bà àwọn ọ̀tá ẹ̀ ìdágìrì fáwọn bullies lórí social media ẹkùn ọkọ̀ yálà anybody anyway he ain't gonna be quiet like yesterday o ẹgbàá bó bá ṣe lọ lálẹ́ àlẹ́ mọ̀ fojoojúmọ́ mọ̀ preach o. Again, swara me kill the swag mommy Laura allow me to throw my swag as I used to. Le pasta mon Laura si le pa go swag mi ejo. Ẹni tí swag o bo mo diminishing ko mo diminishing in le afford láti mo wa hot. Thank you Jumoke Assis. I can't afford not to look hot. Se be mi ọmọ yín. Ẹ rí gbogbo wig wa hun. Isin bebe o. wọ́n ní kẹ́ pé àwọn ní wíìgì un. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ mọ́ gbàgbé o. And you know this wig is so beautiful and versatile. You can pack it to whatever it is you want. Oh, you know, I've always marketed this. And I've gotten all colors because I market it for the young lady that is selling it. You see? I pack it this way. At times I do this. At times I do this. It makes me look girlish like Rihanna. But you make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world. Like I'm the only girl in the world. The only girl in the world. Let me take you hard, hard. Oh no, Jagariri lo ye ke mo pe mi si. Jagariri ye chabo. Ìgbà tí pack irun mi tún jọ ọmọ 21. Swag yìí náà ni. Ẹ kú akọ̀yà wọn. But you make her feel like she's the only girl in the world. Like I'm the only boy in the world. The only girl in the world. As I'm into down into Kozoke, into style ti pọ̀jù tí yàn lè fi irun ìdá lára. Wà láwọn tó ṣe irun yìí. Wọ́n gbọ́n ju ẹ tún kó báyìí. Ẹ tún pin ní ẹ̀mọ́kè. Ẹ tún mú gbogbo wájú yẹn dálẹ̀ tán báyìí. Ẹ ṣe ní full fringe, you know, mushroom. You have to brush it out and pick it into place and make sure it looks really nice on you. You know, I can be really trendy. I love to look trendy. I love looking younger than my age. And I think this hair is just the bump. It's the best hair ever that I sure know how to rock good out of my whole collection. And since I've had them, they gave me 3. I have the gold, the full black, and the burgundy color. So you see, it makes me look younger. It gives me some nice younger look, you know. And if you really want to look like a grandma, you know, those diva look, you can actually brush it all out, make it afro, you know, and put this on the side completely. There are some of them that you don't have to wear it in fringe. You can actually not just cut the front, just let it fall on a equal length. Yes, I address àwọn lẹ́sọ̀ díẹ̀ tó ní mọ́ bá wọn fi polówó ní ìfún yín yìí o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ léèwé o. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ sùkúù. Excuse, we are very sorry, sir. I'm a tika wawa toke. Tisha, I'm a tika wawa toke. It's okay, Baraba. You ban calling. Beba go while I'm back calling so carry show. If you don't want to go to Naughty Corner, you don't want to go detention, you are better listening to this lecture. It's a big around you don't care what ya care what there Susan Monroe, care what there be our mommy, any wig is on, any wig Alamanda. There was Bebo, that be our yajo semo, Kaya yare, care for you just see you, care brush a hat about drawing about 1 year. That's the diva look we're talking about. Our ball of façon. Ó ti lè jẹ́ pé yín mama say giveaway Friday àbí giveaway Sunday. Àwọn ilé kọ́ yín. Àwọn baddest of the baddest. Kàn ní kàn mọ́ trendy. Ẹ ní láti wo designer o. Ẹ má bá wọn ṣe àwọn ìráyè designer kankan bí. Ẹ kò look simple, trendy. You know how simplicity does it for your CEO. You all have to learn to embrace it. That's the kind of thing I'm asking you to dub in me. The 40s, you know, and over. 40 plus. Láàrin wa wá tá mọ̀ pé 40 plus. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa rọ́ jáde ká mọ̀ trendy. Ká jáde tán káwọn ọmọ 32 tán wà ńbẹ̀ yẹn yágayàgá yẹn tí wọ́n táyé wọ́n ti bàjẹ́ òun. Àwọn oníkùn bíi tàgbé. Kọ́mọ jíwá wá látọjú window pé àwọn èjè aláwọ̀ ni wọ́n ọlọ́lọ́mọrú planet tán ti sọ yìí kalẹ̀ pé ẹ̀yin yàtọ̀ ẹ̀ ń ṣe ti hàtì ọlọ́run ẹgbàgbé bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ So yes, I'm funny, Ellen. Yes, I am funny sister Helen Farsi, Julian Scotty. Yes, so we are all African queens. And I've told you have to learn how to dazzle, how to mesmerize those guys. You need to learn how to tickle their fancy. You need to do the things that will make those boys' eyes blink. Both the boys in men and the men that lives in boys. those husband, those boyfriend of yours, learn to keep well for them. Maintain good look, clean look. Let your husband come back and see you in the kitchen and be wondering, somewhere that John, let me see you. You packaging it bad, girl. Alone. If you more, wallahi second, second, sorry. Allah baby is second, sorry. Wallahi bad, girl. Oh bad, our mommy bad. Inflow near Ribobole. Oh bad, inflow ni. Our mommy, what you see me? All Abike, all I ma ju aṣọ kan sí ẹ. Wọ́n Abike wọ́n nìkan náà ló lè rock ẹ. Kò sí orí rẹ̀ gigidi un. Orí kan body rẹ̀ gigidi un. Òun nìkan ló lè fi rock wigi wa. Wọ́n ní sọ wá rárá rẹ̀ tó gùn 6 foot down wọ́n nìkan náà ló lè bá wa rock that crop top and maxi skirt. Oh my god. Mo skirt àwọn gypsy. Ó wá jẹ́ kí n rántí nígbà tí mo kéré. Tí mo wà bí 16, 17, 18. Àwọn ko skirt yẹn ní ṣe Indian skirt kọ́ la mọ̀ ń pè ngba yẹn gypsy un. A máa wá ṣe soul to soul braids in the 90s. Àwa dra braids yẹn la wa máa kàn di wa. On my plait it on my big. You remember then when we used to have those fat plait? I did diwa wa gypsy skirt wa. Irú kíní no ti raining gba yẹn náà ta Ọlọ́run. Ìgbà kan la ìgbà kan bọ̀. Ajangari aja. Èyàn mélòó lè sórí ẹ̀ síta. Orí ló ń jẹ ní kílẹ̀ tó kà. Oní bá mi Àyìndé. Aláìbá mi Àyìndé mo mí sí ẹ oyin lè wé tí kí n tún sá lọ sí kò kí n lọ ọ́gì bá mi Àyìndé o. Àyìndé tó ń yàtọ̀. Àyìndé tí wọ́n yàtọ̀. Ọwọ́ ayé òní tẹ̀ ẹ́ mi Àyìndé. Àwọn tó ń bú ẹ. Alásìkò mi jẹ́ kó máa bú ẹ. Àwọn tó ń bá òun jẹ́ kó máa bẹ̀ ẹ́. Aláìbá bá mi ó pé ọmọ ti gbọ́ at last. Abike yìí náà ní nǹkan. Ẹ̀rù jẹjẹ tó ń fi steer up social media. Ẹkùn ọkọ̀ yálà wọn búlì. Bam, bam, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ̀yin ọmọ mi. Wọ́n ní kẹgbẹ́ra. Ẹ dáàbò fún sísá yín pẹ́. Ẹ dáàbò fún sí oyin gbáhùn. Dábì yìí náà ní nǹkan. Ẹ jẹ́ o. Ẹ̀sùn tẹ̀ jáde. Ẹ mọ́ gbàgbé o. This is all about empowering ourselves. And we didn't have much to discuss tonight, but I've told the people that actually patronize me to please give me a little bit, more of time to bring out what I do. It's just to encourage our fellow women and men also. Because I've had so many people introduce so many business that they would like me to broadcast for them on this medium. We've got a lot of followers. And not just followers, we're talking of quality followers. Rich, eloquent, vibrant, intellectual elites amongst us. Those intelligent minds. Those free-spirited people, not those wish-wash, not any dirty people, not all those illiterate with shallow thinking, faculty. No. I'm talking of those quality, educated, brilliant, brainy, clever, smart, you know what I mean? People. Those are the people that works with Abike Jagaban. If you are not that sharp or smart, I'm sure you would have left because we probably wouldn't have been, passing the message you were expecting. If our IQ is way too high than yours, I'm sure you would have relocated back to your original zone, because this is zone for the brilliant, the vibrant, the intelligent, the smart, the intellectual, the eloquent, ones, not just any, even the ones that are not read here, the ones that are not educated. You can tell that they've got wisdom, quality wisdom, sound and deep knowledge of most things that we'll talk about. So, kadupe for long over. Kesa when you just, Sister Monica, see, hello, darling, sis, how are you? Wagba is a keynote, you're me. èèyàn yìí ọ̀rẹ́ yín trendy yá ọlọ́run ọmọ yìí náà Alábìkẹ́ àwọn ọmọ dára ó dẹjọ́ onítàwọn bá jọkùnrin àwọn ò bá ti ké mi mọ́lé àìjọkùnrin kọ̀wé ẹ̀ bá ti ké mi mọ́yẹ̀ o wọ́n pé bóyá wọ́n lè lémi ìtàgé kàn tiẹ̀ bímọ tó jọ mí Jagaban wàhálà ilé jẹ́ ká mi mọ́kànnà torí mo gbàgbà kan wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n máa fi fọ́ọ̀sì fi ká mẹ́fà ròdì mi lọ́wọ́ ìmọ̀jẹ̀ tún sọ̀sọ́ kó sáré ìwọ ìyàwó èèyàn tí wọ́n mi láti it will change. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń pè mí láwọn ní Abike Jagaban, we love that side of you, we love that other part of you, we don't like the cursing. Mumna Yadani, I wasn't just cursing intentionally. I was only doing a very strong back to send out to my haters. Anybody that call my head for evil, may evil swallow the person suddenly. Tigbogbo. Oh yeah, Shami Yamojo. Àmì lórúkọ Allah. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá porí àwọn méje níbi, may he be suddenly God put them as well. Ẹ sàmì lórúkọ Jésù. Àmì lórúkọ àmì onítìkọ́ra tí yóò mọ gbọ̀n ní kẹfà. Àmì lórúkọ Jésù tí gbòǹgbò ta Ọlọ́run. Àmì yìí náà ní nǹkan. Ẹni tó bá robí sí wa, wọn ò ní jèrè o. A ní wọn ò ní jèrè nílẹ̀ yìí ń bára ni wọ́n á ṣekú. Wọ́n á ṣerú ayé fújì. Ẹ̀rù yá wọn náà máa o. Mo ní bó ní tọ̀hún fàpò méjì láṣòwò. Wọn ò ní rèrè ọjà jẹ́ o. Èèyàn tó ròbí sáwà wọn ò ní jèrè o. Wọn ò ní kú, wọn ò ní rùn, wọn ò ní wọ́n lé dókítà nígbà kankan á dàlé wọn lórí. Iṣẹ́ wọn máa dàlé wọn. Gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́gẹ́. Èèyàn ọmọ mi wọ́n láyìn lé wéètì o kí n tún ṣeré lọ kí Ọlọ́run olówó wọn ní kò kí n pariwo calm down olówó pariwo ìsí wọn rá àwọn olówó kan rí wọ́n bínú ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì wọ́n lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà wọ́n máa dé báyìí wọ́n á yà sí Puerto Rico àwọn Puerto Rico ń sì rí bẹ́ẹ̀ bá rè lọ náwó mi eléyè ṣẹ́gbọ́n àwọn Puerto Rico àwọn ibi tí mo ń wọ́n ní bígbà tẹ́lúwẹ́ lọ Caribbean kẹ́ lọ mọ́ náwó létí omi kẹ́ dé sí good hotel kẹ́sẹ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ mọ́ parí I'm going to kìíní kan bí ó bá lọ jayé Las Vegas kó mọ̀ kó jayé tán you know Miami kó náwó kó ṣayé bí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yin ọmọ mi ọmọ Vini I know say you go spoil me too Ọlọ́run Amẹ́ríkà kò tí ìyà fún mi ń sẹ́yìn omi kọrin fún wọn pé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbé kòtò sílẹ̀ tẹ́tẹ́ nílé lórí tẹ́ni kémi wá sùn lé Alábìkẹ́ mo ní iná tẹ́ bá dálẹ̀ fẹ́yẹ gúnúgún ẹ̀yẹ mi náà fi ń sùn Àbíkẹ́ mo ti sọ ní gbogbo àṣebàjẹ́ onígbà yìí Àbíkẹ́ ayé kan ń bẹ ní ìlú London Àbíkẹ́ mo rí ayé kan ń bẹ nílùú London Àbíkẹ́ aláṣẹ pè mí o Ọlọ́run ayé pọ̀ jù àwọn ọmọ yìí wọ́n wò mí káàkiri àgbáyé wọ́n ní wà lọ́mọ ti yàwó sí London and she's so pretty, she's so eloquent, she's so sound. I don't know why she's been going out fighting any fighting. Wọ́n ní Jàwá ìjọsí always nígbà tó ń gbé Jàwá sẹ́mi ó wà sálọ lébi ọmọ tó tírẹ́nì Adékúnlé ṣáàmù Evans Square wọ́n bí mi sí gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n tún wá gbé mi sọ̀rọ̀ lọ sí kọ́sítẹ́mọ̀ ọmọ táyé náà ní nǹkan ẹ̀wọ̀n bínú o ìnílé mọ́ róòlù bí alákọ̀wé òní gbogbo gbá ó ẹ sáàmọ́ kí ẹ ṣe nǹkan tó mọ́ mi lára àwọn ọmọ mi láàpá road wọ́n wá ní àwọn náà ti dáhùn kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ happy ani jọ̀wọ́ Àbíkẹ́ jọ̀wọ́ kí ló Ọlọ́run ani jọ̀wọ́ ọmọ mi mo ní oríṣiríṣi ń jù ọlọ́mọdé kan lọ fi mí jẹ ọ̀gá lè sá àwọn èèbò ìnímọ̀gbà tí ti máa bẹ́ẹ̀bọ̀ gan fi èdè ọmọ jẹ̀ka oríṣiríṣi tí mo bá fi communicate ti gbàgbé pé àsìn briefing àsìn ya àgọ́ àsìn lólóko dáná àsìn fágbà ìmú jọ sí o àti kó kúrò l'Abẹ́òkúta street Lagos street àsìn gbogbo Ìbàdàn Ọ̀ṣọ́láké ẹ̀ṣàmù Ondo street ìrìn yìí náà ní nǹkan lẹ́gbò láàbárò lórí ẹ pé Lizzy Ẹniọlá má ti gbàgbé o yìí ti máa bóyìnbó fi èdè jẹ̀ka yìí ti mo bá fi communicate pé happy Mr. George ọwọ́ ẹ̀nà say wetin lẹ́yìn ẹ̀kọ́ say wetin sef Mr. John I no dey for this one abeg ìtumọ̀ gan happen gan òyìnbó mo ti sáàkì mi ti pẹ́ o ọlọ́rin mi bí ó yá mú mi ó yá pa Abike sí dúró sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ìjẹ̀ka ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ náà lórí Facebook kó mọ́ pat ìjẹ̀ka kó sì mọ́ pátá lákọ̀wé rẹ̀ fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ at least diversity ń kèé ṣe nǹkan tí ó yí sí fáwọn ọmọ ẹlòmíì sí wọn nírú talent bí Jennifer ó bá ṣeré yóò ṣe èbò yóò sọ mọ̀ta yóò switch padà sí Ọlọ́run Abike anyway iṣẹ́ ti yàtọ̀ wọ́n ní àwọn àwòmí iṣẹ́ ti yàtọ̀ àtìkọ́ ti tó tẹ́mi fẹ́ máa jèrè ẹwòmí iṣẹ́ ti yàtọ̀ àtìkọ́ ti tó tẹ́mi fẹ́ máa jèrè àtìkọ́ ti tó no more gbogbo I'm not a changed person. You all know what I mean. I'm not used to coming out to shout out anyone anymore. I'm not a change leave or change person. Kidi ẹni mo nje change leave. Ṣé wọ́n pààrọ̀ ewé ni. In like àwọn èèbó burúkú wọn okay you na a change leave. Mo ní we pa o. We leave tó bá change kan ti gbẹ nìyẹn. Ewé gbígbẹ ó rọ́pò tútù nìyẹn. That means pé ewé tútù. Wọ́n ti lo ewé tútù títí ló bá di ewé gbígbẹ. Won't say you should not be a change leave. Mo ní kí lè tẹ̀lé sọ mí di change leave. Ewé ẹ̀kọ́ tó bá pẹ́ jù lọ́jà. Ibà gbẹ ó gbẹ ní kíní tí mo ẹsẹ̀ ìbò náà ní kí ọmọ pè yàn ní change leave. Ẹjọ́ bí èpè ni mo rí kẹ́ mọ̀ pè yàn change leave. Tẹ́wé bá wà tútù ló lè ta. Ayé tútù kó rọ̀ dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ ó ní Ọlọ́run lọ kókò lábà ó ní yana exchange mi ṣe fẹ́ kéwé tútù bí di gbígbẹ ni. Àbí kí gbígbẹ yẹn di tútù gbígbẹ tó bá di tútù wọ́n lómi nìyẹn èsè lásọ̀rọ̀ tútù ẹyẹ mo fi leave tẹ̀ mọ́ ṣàpèjúwe ayé mi mọ́ ẹ fi mí lẹ̀ wálé àwọn kọ́là mi wọ́n mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ sọ́rí hello ṣàbíkẹ́ nìyẹn ẹ mọ̀ mí o bọ̀ èmi mọ̀ yín dáadáa mo ti mọ lógo wọn àwọn onílífù ọmọ ewé hello ẹ mọ̀ mí o àmọ́ ṣe rí gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe lánàá yóò dùn mọ́ wa gan ṣé ó yẹ yín àǹtí ṣe mọ̀ pé jẹ́ òdọ́là mo wọ́n ti jọ́kọ̀ tẹ́ sọ pé mi ní ẹ bá ń pọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀ tí ń fàágùn jù kí lẹ fẹ́ gangan what do you want gangan just go straight to the point wetin you dey pull am up dey pull am down what do you want how may I help you okay ẹ má bínú ẹ tí ń bínú mo ní mi ìbínú ẹ sọ tẹnu yín la béèrè okay ṣe rí ọkọ mi tí ti fẹ́ wọlé máa pé ìgbà náà kan yín èsè ni wọlé gbà tọrọ ẹnu yín ò dá èké ni yín túlétúlé sì ní tá ń béèrè opinion yín ẹ à ń jẹ ìṣèjì kájọ yín kẹ́ fi páàṣì ẹ̀kẹ́ jẹ́ kó dì kan yín ìfẹ́ ru yín lórí ẹ jọ o kì í ṣe pé mo wá náà ìṣòwò débi pé kéèyàn kọ́ ló máa fọ́ọ̀mù kọlù máa tẹ̀ sójú ọmọ anybody tí ó bá náà ìsòrí lórí ẹ aláwọn ó ṣe jàre dorí sáré àwọn silent washer kí ló ṣe yín ṣó di ni yín ni ewu tẹ gbogbo ite mo claim silent washer tẹ bá mọ̀ pé silent washer tí ó lè sọ̀rọ̀ láíláí ni ẹ lọ gbogbo disability ẹ ní dàtí má gba visual and kini no and speech impairment eye component ẹ lọ gbogbo disable ẹyẹ wọ́n mọ̀ pé mi kẹ́ mọ́ lẹ́yìn silent kí lè sẹ́nu yín ṣé wọ́n gbẹ́nu yín fálágbàfọ̀ ní àbẹ́tí yín ló dígbọ́n yín ẹ̀gbọ́n wọn aráyé wí ni how long lẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ fi ṣe silent washer ẹ̀yin náà lẹ silent lánàá ẹ silent last year ẹ ṣì ń silent wọ September ìgbà wo lè wàá sọ̀rọ̀ láì ṣe pé gbé blue badge dání ẹ̀jẹ̀ yín gbé mi mọ́ra lọ́nà ìgbémọ́ra yìí náà ní nkẹ́ gbígbémọ́ra yìí ní kí ló dé bàbá gba kọ́ọ̀lù mẹ́wàá gbogbo yín náà ń silent washer Beraga máa gbé mi wọ́n sìn. Mo fẹ́ ní testimony day. We have to declare a special day aside as testimony day. When my people will be calling in, when I'm online to say, oh, is the CEO. Kimani, yesterday, how may I help you? Oh, I am one of the victims. You gave my liberation back to me on Facebook. You see, I'm a very quiet person by nature. I can hardly talk when people bully me. I can hardly even say a word back to my nasty friend. But since I've been coming on your show, Auntie Abike, God bless you. You are indeed a blessing to us. And that is why I'm calling in on this special day to give my testimony. This is like we're in the church. And I just have to keep telling you to keep up the good work. And God bless you. I have told my husband to please order you some ogogoro, oguro when he's coming back from Nigeria. It is my own little quota to your show because we can all tell that you like drink a lot. Eshema, Oloma Masagbara. You have made my day without order from Nigeria. My life. You know, testimony is insane. Vini, how far you go fill that space? Vini, you supposed to fill that space now. I saw you that thing. I'm not there. You are a silent watcher, Sekinati. But going on, let me silent watching. Bẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo ní sẹ́fù náà bí kí ní sẹ́nu yín gọ́tẹ́ èèyàn silent watch odidi ọdún kan ẹ̀sìn claim silent watch silent kí ló dé nígbà tẹ́yìn ní physical impairment àbí visual àbí speech ẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ bó bá yẹ jẹ́ pé kẹ́ ẹ gbé fóònù kẹ́ ẹ mékè ni ó ti rọ́mọ àbí kẹ́yẹn èmi náà ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wò tán ni ìgbà yẹn èpèrà yín silent wọ́sà ó nígbà tẹ́ bá ń gbé ké pé Rẹ́mi ọmọ yẹn rú tó ti lè bọ́ àgbàlagbà jù ọmọ yẹn wo ọmọ tán ní kò lọ́kọ ọmọ tán ní bàbá ọmọ ẹbí mẹ́wàá ní ọmọ tán ní mọ̀ ń gbà yẹn pé silent wọ́sà yín túlé wọ́ṣà níyín wà láì túlé dàlérú èké ìbídùn wọ́ṣà òun ló ń wọ́ṣì tí kò lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu rẹ̀ tán lórí ṣó Àbíkẹ́ Jagaban. Ibẹ̀ yín mú nọ́mbà yín lásán máa mú kíní tẹ́ fi ń bojú ẹlẹ́yìn sáré wọṣẹ́ lọ sí profile bíi mẹ́wàá ẹ fi ń ba ayé jẹ́ wá gbéra yín ẹ̀yin ọmọ mi gbóhùn sókè àdúrà Ọlọ́run ẹni bá lẹ́nu kó wí ni ẹni bá ní etí kí ó sì gbọ́ èmi lè ń silent watch fún bó bá jẹ́ fútbọ́ọ̀lù lẹ́ ń wò ní Arsenal àti Blues tó bá yá go kí ló wá dé bó bá jẹ́ fíìmù Yorùbá lẹ́ ń wò ní tẹ́rọ́dún Adékọ́lá tó fẹ́ pààyàn ní Ọlọ́run ó ti pẹ́ mo sọ pé máa pa ẹ ṣe wá di silent watch aláìsọ di lórí show Abike Jagaban. At times we call it an interactive session. You need to call your partner, call whoever you are watching with and tell them wá ọmọ yóò tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o sì bá ń type ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ pàbí kí o tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o kọjá yàrá rẹ̀ sáwà wọ́sà rẹ̀ o èwo ni gbogbo gbà silent watch àmọ́ silent ye mo silent ẹ máa tẹ keypad ẹ mọ number tẹ máa dial mi lẹ́yìn anyway say me let's leave our silent watcher to their team. Let us the lousy watcher, let's collaborate, interact, communicate verbally and literally on this media. We don't want to be any silent watcher anyway. I don't want to talk too much. You all know what it is about this hair. You know, I've been wearing them in different colors for a while now. And they're still so nice. Each time I bring it out, it's so fluffy, so nice, so soft. Easy to comb, easy to style with your fingertips. Why don't you go for yours, ladies? I still have the woman's number. She's the one that sells cream as well. She sells all this cream. For those people that has got bad knuckles, that their hands are burnt with dark hanku. Àwọn ẹ̀sà mọ̀ bí kọ́lọ̀ mẹ́jọ ń ọ̀pẹ́ èèyàn mọ̀ mí náà tẹ́ mọ́ ń já sí díẹ̀díẹ̀ lè mọ́ lè sọ̀rọ̀ jáde àmọ́ kẹ́ ní ìdìkíní yìí ẹ̀sà mọ̀ kése medium fáwà dúdú nìkan so ẹ lè lọ is called dark knuckles corrector. The lady said it's been out of stock since the last time I marketed it for her, but it's back now. Ẹ mọ̀ bí ẹ bá kọrin pé ẹ̀yẹ mọ̀ mi ẹ bójú kẹ́ bóra kó bá wọ́n jẹ́. Wà ránṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Jagaban kẹ́ lọ fi bóra fáwọn bọ̀bọ̀ yín Àbíkẹ́ Adékun fẹ̀rí gbọ̀ngàn ìgbẹ́jú kẹ́ bóra kó bá wọ́n jẹ́. ọmọdé wọ̀nyí kẹ́pọ́jú kẹ́pọ́ra kò bá wọn jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀jẹ́ náà kẹ́lọ́ ní kẹ́lọ́ ìwéra yìí náà ní nǹkan ilé go again tí àwọn ọmọ mi kan wọ́n já sí fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ wọn ò jẹ́ kó pọ̀ jù minimal jíjà sí tí ó pọ̀ jù they look nice ìfà àwọn tí mo ń jóná tí ìfà mo ti sọ fọ́mọ bí ó bá ta kírìmù fún yín tó bá rí pé àwọn tí ayé wọn ti dẹ́ǹtì kọjá rìpíà ni kọ́ ya tètè rìfà àwọn lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tí mo ń bóra àwọn abóra jẹ̀bi àwọn àpọ̀ master risking CEO yín rí CEO yín amọ́láwọ̀ ẹlẹ́yinjú ẹ̀gẹ́ adúmáàdán ìbàdí ẹ̀rọ ọ̀pẹ̀lẹ́ngẹ́ tó ṣubú láwọn táwọn crack ẹ̀yọ́ ọmọdé jáde wájú wọ́n lọ wọn ra kínní yẹn àti gbogbo orun yẹn ó ní irun eléyìí ẹ̀rẹ́dẹ̀ bó ṣe fine ni mo ń délé ní gbogbo ìgbà ó èmi náà ni mo ń ṣe mo so nice wà àtijọ́ tí mo ti ń de kò nà wálẹ̀ rí yìí sí tọ́ǹgì rẹ̀ rí yìí mọ́ tọ́ǹgì rí so nice. So you need to contact the lady for yours lọ pé kẹyẹ mọ́ ìsọsọ fún yín ẹlòmí ò di irun ó ti di burúkú mọ́ lórí gbogbo ó ti di jánijà ló sì lọ́kànlé ọkọ̀ ó bá paná ṣúkú rẹ̀ láàrin owó fi mú sniff àtàrí rẹ̀ wàhálà tó bá mú ṣẹ́ẹ̀tì rẹ̀ ó lè má wọlé padà ìwọ̀n oṣù méjì mi ó bá rí pé ṣe lórí rẹ̀ ń ṣàyàn máa túnrun weaving abẹ́ ẹ̀rùn yín máa fọ̀ lóyún àsìkò you need to wash it, you need to keep clean, you maintain that hygiene, the personal hygiene women we have to honestly mi sí ìhòyìn ni ẹ̀rí kùn sí ìhòní ẹ̀rí ni flat tummy dancer make me whiny dancer make me Allah ikùn yìí náà ní nǹkan ọmọ mi ọkùnrin wò mí títí lálẹ́ nígbà tọ́mọ mi rí pé mo jáde ọmọ wàhálà ẹnu rẹ̀ àfi bíi ti ya rẹ̀ ó ní mom I think you're adding weight on your tummy. Money, really? What makes you think so? Because here it used to be so tiny before, but now I think your waist is really getting large, wider. Large. SSL, I mean just L Lomini. Mommy, I think you are XL. The way money see me. Finisi mi níwájú àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n lépa mi lórí social media ilé wẹ́sẹ̀lì táyé ìpààrẹ kí ló dé consider send you àfihẹ́lẹ̀ ọmọ mi ó ní because your waist used to be so tiny before this tiny how come it's getting wide when you more worry ọjọ́ orí ní kásọ̀pù pẹ̀lú ìyá rẹ̀ sì mọ páàkì rẹ̀ náà ni ọmọ ìwé ní level tí mo ẹ̀ ṣì wà yìí pẹ̀lú ọjọ́ orí rẹ̀. It's in rock on top. She's still really pink, on the high pitch. In law disco. Next week soon. I plan after party disco. Only disco la fele. So to whoever that is games, you have to call me. It's strictly girls' night. For those of you that are married, you need to show our invitation to your husband. Tell them you're just hanging out with Abike Jagaban all night. We are going to the club. You know what I mean? Going clubbing. We're going clubbing. We're going to dance, do our girlish thing, We're going out, so we can't afford to get old in the house. You think, you go about doing your normal house chores, go to work, you come back and get bored, watching Facebook, going back to sleep with nothing to do. You need to meet with some other girls. We need to rub minds together. We need to come together and, offer each other some advice on how to trim down, how to change your wardrobe. I like when I come out with girls and I see some of them on very skimpy and I wonder, how did you do that? How did you manage to have a flat tummy? How did you manage to do this? Who taught you how to make up? Look at my makeup. That's why I don't like to do makeup because my makeup is always, on flick. Look at it. I do it myself every time. I enjoy sitting in front of the mirror. ọmọ mọ́ ń dààmú wa lórí social media ojú mi ò lè bọ́ wà láyọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ìdágìrì fún gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá ayé ó 40 lájà ọlọ́run So we have to encourage ourselves to do a whole lot of things that we used to pay for out there to get the service. Get yourself in the business as well. You don't have to be making money out of it. At least be your self makeover person. You can do it. You can sit in front of the mirror. You practice how to draw your brow. Just like me. Don't you see you in oh my, you're bad. Jagaban, oh bad. Abike, oh bad. Aláìdágìrì ní fáwọn ọ̀tá rẹ̀. Èmi àmọ́ dádókò wájú mirror. Yín sì mọ́ dára mi lọ́rùn. Ní mọ́ wòra mi títí sí báyìí. Ìró lójú pé bá ti wo dáadáa máa wo kí n sọ. Thank you, God. Chineke imela. Allah came on. Wallahi insa God. So yes, for black skin like you, Sheyi Balogun, she's got cream for all. I'm black as well. You think I'm not a fair person? No. It's a dudu ni me. It's chocolate fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́. Ọmọ onísìn supply cream mi láti bí ọdún méjì nsìn. Inter Patricia Arena, Inter Supreme, Inter Fair and White. Oh, she sure knows how to give you. Polo D has tried it too, and Polo D told me she loves her cream. It's really nice. So, and she sells all this wig as well. She sells all this wig. I'm going to market. I've marketed a few of her stuff before. You just need to call her. And they are not expensive. But me, I don't want to go and be giving you. I told her I'm not good at giving prices. So she better go and, paste it on her wall. Because the other time she gave me something for 100 pounds. Because me, I call it 80 pounds. She gave me one for 120. Look at this, and she is really, really, really nice. Bobo Reni, as a brand ambassador, I got it all for free. I got my own, So you need to call her and make your order. She's got a whole lot of beautiful wigs. Since when I've been wearing this one. I've been wearing. Yeah, Kristen Johnson said, you were so shy at your party. You can't believe you're the same person I'm watching now. Yeah, I told you. This is my powerhouse where I gain all the confidence. Once I'm in front of camera, I'm never camera shy. You see, this is why I always tell you I've got the potentials of a newscaster. I'm never camera shy. I can stay in the room with 1 million people and be performing like there's nobody around me. As long as I am, as long as I am aware that I'm standing in front of the camera. Forget the crowd there. If only you turn down my party hall to a studio room. You see that I'm not gonna be shy. You people failed me that they should have placed the camera in front of me and I wouldn't be looking at the floor. Can I come on and say you? If I'm gonna shine your face, you shine on all what test me Lord Junior if you know puff up where I know J Jacob Tower. You very Jenny Jacob room well. And you was in the Messiah. Wake up now. And look at this one. Her braid is really nice, so you need to contact her for her braid. That braid is beautiful. Look at the front of it. The front lace is so nice. I've never seen any. The finishing is just amazing. I'm telling you, whoever did this, she did a very good job. Look at it. It's different from all the braids I've been seeing. This is quite different. Anyway, you need to call her for all these beautiful wigs. I've got my own as a gift, so I've been wearing them. And what else again? This one, she has the wine color and the gold color. The gold color is beautiful, and the burgundy color is really nice. What do they call that burgundy color, Seth? And it's all about marketing tonight. So you need to call her Talk DT. Trust me now. Okay, that one is very neat. Look at this. This one is really, really nice. Look. And you can style it however you want. You can style it however. You don't have to wear the way I'm wearing mine. You can actually wear it down. However, you can cut it and style it the way you want. And if you brush it out, it will come out so big, just like T.Y. Baylor's afro. I don't want my comb out yet until I've used it for a year or two. Then I'll brush it out. And I'll be looking like another sassy, beautiful, screen diva. You know what I mean. Adeomowa wants me to read my comments. Yes, I am. You need to see me more of this Larry Olubajo. Why not? We've always done this one, but you àwọn àtàyè wa wọn ò fẹ́ ní sinmi gbogbo ọ̀tá tó bá pé a máa ní sinmi wọn ò ní sinmi sinmi ó jìnnà sáyé wọn ìsinmi ti dé bá ayé Àbíkẹ́ a ní I have done a new ọ̀nà ẹja tuntun wọn ló ti sọ jáde nínú omi tuntun tó rú. Anyway, for that, you know, for that dark knuckle corrector thing and this wigs, if you need to order for any of the caps, she's got really with the one I'm wearing behind there. Can you see this one here? That fringe thing? Yeah, she has that one as well, so you can call her. So call Queen's Cosmetic. Anyway, say our number is 075. Admin, can you please help me to pin a number out there? That is the number for the woman that is in charge of all this wig and the cream. She deals with bother cream, you know, cosmetics in general. So call her, contact her, and let's empower each other, you know, that way. And you know, when I recommend her for, you see, me, I've never had burns in my whole life. I can't survive any burns because I don't use any harsh cream and my skin is so beautiful. You see, those cream that you will use and you won't have all those ugly, you know, terrible stretch mark. You know, when I see some stretch mark, it's so disheartening, and I do feel for the people. I know some stretch mark are quite natural, but for the people that it is cream that has actually, you know, dented their skin that way, this one, she will give you something for those discoloration and those pigmented whatever. Just call her. So our number, admin, can you please help me to paste the number, pin it out there. Our number is 075 35 39 33 81. That is the first one. 075 35 39 3381, and the other number is 074 059 974 84. That's the second one. 074 05 99 7484. Case gbogbo yes in belo relax le help mi ke mo pin kini u jáde fáwọn girlfriend àti àwọn friend yin tí mo nbora wa ro se lawa Abike ke ya fi para àwọn bàbá yín àdìsáàdé kan fẹ́rẹ̀ pọ̀pọ̀ wọ́n ní kan bójú kan bóra kò bá wọ́n jẹ́ wọ́n dé mọ̀ yí ẹ bójú kẹ bóra kò bá ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ ó pọ̀jù aláìbẹ́bẹ́ ẹ bójú àwọn bàjẹ́ àwọn yóò kọ̀ dàbí tọmọ jẹ́ sí ní apá àfúrà jẹ̀bi ọlọ́run go wo skin yóò pọ̀ ọmọ ìkẹsẹ̀ bí n ṣe dá ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ wá bá gbogbo iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ mi jẹ́ tó wá bó tó bó bàjẹ́ tí n tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé skin lélẹ̀ olúwọ́ kọ̀ dàbí ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ gan ni ẹ̀sọ́ àmọ̀ tó já sínú omi gbóná ẹjọ́ o. So yes, you got the number right. Thank you so much, admin. God bless you. God bless you. Ẹ mọ̀ lọ bó ẹ mọ̀ kẹ́yìn gbà tí ń ṣe patí ibẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ege pé jọ́ o ìfẹ́ àwọn àpárá àwọn àsọ̀rọ̀ ara ó para ìfẹ́ wọn parí mi àwọn gbogbo ilẹ̀ mú rí mi wú nígbà tí mo wẹ̀ mí ní tí n bá ti rẹ́yìn lẹ́yìn mi inú mi á dùn ara mi á yá gágágágá nígbà tí mo wẹ̀ yìí tí mo rá ọmọ èjè wàláì inú mi dẹ́dùn ara mi sì yá gágá. I was so happy, so impressed. I felt so delighted to see the caliber of people that follows me. I don't want all those dirty looking, slimy, you know what I mean, looking people. No, some of them is due to self-destruction. You don't use some chemicals that you know can dent your skin, can even cause you skin cancer on yourself deliberately. It's called self-destruction. You deliberately use your hand and your money. Hey, mom. Nígbà tí mi sì mọ̀ nǹkan yẹn pé àní kẹ́bójú kẹ́bóra kò bá wa jẹ́ ó wá ránṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Abike kó lọ fi para fáwọn bọ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀sẹ̀ àdìsáàdé kan fẹ́rẹ̀ àní kẹ́bójú kẹ́bóra kò bá wa lẹ́bi yẹn ibẹ̀ yẹn bójú jù bó bẹ́ẹ̀ lo kẹ́míkà tí ò dáa jù ìyá ṣéǹjì orin pé kèé sanwó Jagaban lọ ti rọṣẹ tán fi bóra tán fi dàpá rárá o èmi kọ́ ni mo tàyè sẹ́ẹ̀fẹ̀ rí bọ́ọ̀bù mo ní kẹ́ bójú kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ rọra ṣe kí ní fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ ní kó má bàa wọjú ìpẹ́ lọ́mọ lo 3 doses láàrin wákàtí kan ẹ̀bẹ̀ evident skin ẹlòmíì wọ́n á fún ní nǹkan wọ́n sọ pé it's just 1 a day. When they tell you it's 1 a day, when they tell you it's twice a day, or probably one medication, you know, caplet. You see some people, because they want the thing to vanish on time, they will put 3 caplets. And skin cancer, did you follow the instruction? You should have adhered strictly by the instruction of the seller. If you don't, then you are at risk on your own. You are on your own. No. Fúnra rẹ̀ lè kọ́ sí rẹ̀ ọ̀sọ̀ eléyìí sí sáwọn tí mo ń tọ́sẹ̀ tí mo ń bára jẹ́ o ṣe lọ rẹ̀ pé bèbí un ìyá ẹ mọ́ glow níbi tí Jaga ẹ mọ́ glow ẹ mọ́ look nice ẹ ní pupa jù ẹ ní dúdú jù tó ẹ kò fẹ́ rọra tóònù fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ ni which is okay for those fair people. She has the right cream, you know, knuckle cream, facial cream. Some people don't even know that they are not supposed to be creaming their face with the same cream they use on their body. Except that even when you're extremely dark, there are still some things that you shouldn't put on your face, like your body cream. Body cream is for body cream, it's not facial cream. Facial cream is different. Me, I learned not to put my body cream on my face some years ago. You know, so a separate cream for my face, separate cream for my body. You've got scrub, you've got some night cream, you've got some morning cream, you know, the one that will protect you from UV ray. So you need to learn how to take care of your body. Yeah, our Facebook name I think is Queen Kini, you know, I like more be no Queen something, be no. Go and call her number, ask her. I was rubbish. Again, what's your Facebook? More me back well, look, auntie, I have told you everything. Why do you always come? And I see you're not about the very. What's it about you? It's all about marketing tonight. So if you have anything that you would like us to, you know, market for you, like I told you that I'm a brand ambassador, you can call me, you can use me just to move whatever it is that you do. Articolo bready for my bony bready ni Manchester and Sintori paper D me Abike, you know. And he's good at what he's doing. I like it when people impute their professionalism into what they do. He impressed me, he makes me happy. You know, it's such a delight to see some young people, you know, put all their strength, you know, their all in all in what they do. If you put all your all in all in what you do, all your efforts, you know, try and impute professionalism. Let people see that you're really struggling to make, you know, your handwork, you know, stand out. Just like Auntie Bumi Omabua, she has this beautiful jewelry, you know, collection, and our jewelry are always distinct, beautiful, versatile. There are things that you can wear any day. You rock it on your native, you rock it on your English. Auntie Bumi Omabua is another person I'm going to market her, you know, stuff soon, our goods, and you can tell that she's got some unique stuff. You can search her out on Instagram. You can actually inbox her on Instagram. That's Bumi Omabua. So Bumi Omabua, yeah, that's Auntie Bumi's Instagram account name. So try and contact her there. Ask for beautiful jewelry, just like the ones you see me wear. You know, I don't like loud stuff, like all the things I wore on my birthday and before then. You know, the things I used to market for Auntie Bumi Omabua. She sells very beautiful, outstanding jewelry. She's one of the best people that can give you that very look that you would like to have on your occasion. So call her. That is that. There. I have 2 more things to cover. And also, it's in Peju. Gbogbo yin, ẹ ṣá rántí kíní mọ́ mi. Ọlọ́run, ọmọ yìí. Wọ́n sì bùn lásọ yìí ní sì fásán ya fún Ọlọ́run ọmọ yìí. Ọmọ yìí, ẹlẹ́ni alẹ́ ni mo yà yìí, okay? Alábíkẹ́ ẹ̀yin àgùntàṣọ́lò. Alábíkẹ́ ọmọ dára ó dẹjọ́. Àbíkẹ́ ní báwọn bá jákùnrin, wọn bá ti kóhun mọ́lé. Àìjákùnrin ẹ̀ bá ti kẹ́mi mọ́ yẹ̀wò ẹ pé bóyá ilé ìgbé mi tage kẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ bímọ tó jọ mí. Wàláì ìsìn mọ́ mọ́dẹ́lì pẹ̀lú pátá àti búra tí bá ti ráwọn kọ́mpìnì tí wọ́n lè sanwó mi dáadáa. Ìwọ pátá yín ti wọ bra yín sì yakanyama gbogbo yín sì ṣe báyìí. Kèsè pé tí ní wọ pátá wàláì yín wọ pátá mo lè bá wọn ta bìkínì gan bó bá wù mí. Mo sọ fún wọn pé ihun táwọn ò lè ṣe mi Àbíkẹ́ lè ṣe yes. Mole say I'm a pace setter. There's nothing I cannot do. There's nothing, as long as it is fashion, I will always do, because I've got all it takes. I've got the potentials. Why not? Only one on back when you go rock. If you've got it, you flaunt it. You flaunt it. Àwọn kan àwọn telo àti bá wọn polówó bó bá sì ṣe òun náà ní bá wọn táyé mi nínú ni ẹ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àní ẹni t'Ọlọ́run dá wọn ni kò ṣe farawé o igi t'Ọlọ́run bá gbìn kò mà ṣẹ̀dá tó lè tú Abike ẹni Ọlọ́run dá ni tí ò ṣe farawé bó bá sọ pé ọmọ òun kí ni ń ṣe téèyàn kan ò rírì àwọn èèyàn sọ pé bó bá sọ pé kí ni ṣe ìwọ náà wá ṣe títí ẹ kárí lágbájá ẹ wo nǹkan tí ò dá wọ́ títí ẹ kárí ese boko mo sani wona bo si bi ko wa so titi e ka gbo mo je nson sita thank you Sekinat oh share me Sekinat o she yes Sassy no you know how we do our thing when we were younger now you know what I mean yes so Vini, Eyaye wa gba mi lọ́wọ́ Vini sọ pé Abike, I would like to see you advert when you open your legs in bikini. Ye pa mo gbe lẹ́nu Vini so si wa bikini mi lala ni àbí bó wa bikini we tó fẹ́ ká máa ale commit incest o sì rọra kíni gan pàápàá. Kí ló dé gangan, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan. Vini, o wa rí kíni àbúrò rẹ̀ ni ó fẹ́ kí mo lapu na ni lójú rẹ̀ rí Vini, brother Vini. Ọ̀gá Vini, Ọ̀túnba Vini. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà ẹ ṣe oúnjẹ ìmọ̀ mi ṣeun dípẹ́ olú ìbá òní brother Vini ó ṣe mọ̀ pé I would like to see you advertise and open your leg in bikini kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan náà what are you after gan brother Vini ìfẹ́ ọjọ́ rẹ̀ sọ̀túnbá Odùsí o Abídáyọ̀ Sógúnlẹ̀ sí arọra Vini kí ló dé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan wọ́n yẹ fọmọ rẹ̀ bọ́ rẹ̀ náà brother Vini gbójú ní ká lọ fún yín lọ́mọ lọ́hùn lókè lọ́hùn brother Vini ìyẹn lè jọ̀wọ́ lẹ̀ wọ́n lè dìye oúnjẹ fún ara wọn bàbá onílé kẹsàn ló ti pa fún ọ̀rẹ́ àtọ̀rẹ́ tó ń ṣe kí n ta ara wọn ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kì í dábọ̀ ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kì í bàbá Vini wallahi mama egbe bikini fún mi pé kí n advertise rẹ̀ nítorí tí ẹ̀yin ni lè gbé wá sí orí social media in sọ fún wọn pé strictly for the company alone nítorí ru ni a máa fojú bọ́ pátá máa fojú bọ́ bra lára ẹni brother Vini ọ̀la in disgrace in sọ ọmọ tẹ́ mọ́ ń lé kiri una pẹ̀lú ọmú rẹ̀ o ọmọ tó mọ́ ń lé kiri pẹ̀lú ọmú ìwọ náà mọ́ra rẹ̀ o àǹtí Ìyábọ̀ ojú yín o àǹtí Ìyábọ̀ rí brother Vini o ìbá ifá wọn pọ̀ bí kíáfù o bá ń sọ fún o àbí àpẹ̀lẹ́ kí ló dé inú gbogbo nǹkan brother Vini sọ pé I would like to see you advertise and open your leg kí ló dé tell me wetin dem dey call am na open and close tell me wetin dem dey call am open and close spread your legs like a open and close spread your arms like a antelope Vini ìnílé open and close lójú rẹ̀ tí ẹ bọ́ sorry brother ajẹ́ orí gbogbo àwọn boys tán lé mi káàkiri lórí lẹ́wọ̀ pé open lẹ́sìn lójú èsì ajẹ́ lójú wo bra Vini èsì wọ́n bá ń sọ ilé lẹ́yìn ilẹ̀kùn kí n bọ́ wí ó sì ajẹ́ orí láì ló ti fẹ́ kí n bọ́ wí orí àwọn èèyàn mi bẹ̀ tó yẹ kí n mọ ní kán mọ open lẹ́sìn fún kí n mọ dárúkọ lọ́sìn kẹrù báyìí ò ní ìgbà yìí lọ́lá bá ń bi Vini o ẹ bá ń bi Vini o ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé lọ́nu ilé ká lọ sọ Vini ọ̀la ìfẹ̀jọ́ rẹ̀ sùn madam thank you guys anyway ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ Vini bo gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ìpolówó ọjà ẹ gbà mí o dọ́kàsì ó wá gbà mí lọ́wọ́ bá ifá oní brother Vini I beg wetin be level ìbá ifá wọ́n ní kó páàkù ẹ̀ egungun be careful wọ́n ní kó páàkù ẹ̀ ṣeun ẹ bá ń bẹ brother Vini o toxicity gbogbo ẹ̀yin fómílìkì mi ẹ bá ń bẹ brother Vini nílé open leg mi rárá bọ́lá ìbábá yìí ní ìwọ pátá yìí nílé gbé wá nítorí títí ẹ̀ ń fọwọ́ bò nítorí ó ti sọ intention rẹ̀ fún mi báyìí Vini páàkù ẹ̀ ìtumọ̀ gan ẹ̀yin tèmi mo pè gbogbo yín ẹ gbàgbé event ńlá tó ń bọ̀ gangan. It's called Abike Ade 7th Annual Event and Awards Night 2017. And the theme is called Empowering Others and Building Healthy Communities. That is what the theme for this year is called. The theme. When I say theme, I'm sure you all know the meaning of theme. Themi. You know, for this year, you know, she usually show our anniversary yearly, and there's always a name given to each anniversary tune. That is what they intend covering for that whole year. From this year till next year, it will be empowering others and building healthy community. So Auntie Abike Communication 7th Annual Anniversary, we all know that she's got a charity organization that she's been running, you know. So we all need to support her. I'm begging every one of you to please come out to support her on the 20th of October 2017. That's next month by implication. So please, people, you need to come out and support Auntie Abike Communication. Abike Communication so this is what it's called. Can you all read it? That is it. In case you cannot read it, let me read it out to you all. It is Abike Ade Communication 7th Annual Event and Award Night 2017. And theme for the day, for this year is empowering others and building healthy communities. And it's going to be held on the 20th, is a Friday of October 2017 from 5 p.m. till midnight. From 5 p.m. till midnight, people. And it's going to be held at Imperial House Banqueting, Suite 31, Imperial Way, Croydon, London, CRO 4RR. The postcode is CRO 4RR. Are you guys listening to me at all? We need only Vinny. I'm not going to pay. I know where to catch Vinny. We all need to support Auntie Abike Communication. I'll be coming out after today to still talk about it. So it's going to be held on the 7th. On the 20th of October. Next month is a Friday. And you know, the dress code is a touch of gold, and there's going to be a red carpet. And I tell you, there's going to be a lot of, activities, to be announced that day. We're going to have a 3-course meal. And the price, the entry fee is £70 for single. Couple is £130. And also, she's selling a table for 10 for £650. So if you're buying a table for 10, you're going to buy it for £65 each. If you're buying a single ticket, it will be going for £70 per head. But if you're buying a table of 10, you all can pay £65 each person. So that will amount to about £650. And if you're buying, individually, that's £70. And you're going to have 3-course meal, from starter, everything. You're going to enjoy yourself. There's going to be wine on your table. Don't bother eating. You will eat all through the night. Everything will be given. Everything you want will be supplied, ranging from alcohol, whatever. So you're going to have a swell time. Let's all support Auntie Abike Communication. She's been a very nice person. She's been a mother. She's been a role model. She has been inspiring, empowering, and motivating a whole lot of us. And, she's doing this humanitarian job, It's a no just cause. So you people should please, let's support her. Let's support her. We need to come out and support her. So we need to come out and support Auntie Abike Communication on our anniversary day. I'll be coming out to announce this sometime next week again. And if you don't mind to quickly, purchase your ticket before it finishes, because she's only got a few left. So kindly, quickly call, a number. You all know the number she used to run the show. So let's call a number to order for our ticket. You can also call Polo D. You can call me also on 074-481-66150 to purchase your ticket for the day. And it's got to be, you know, with a touch of gold. You know, your dressing has got to be a touch of gold. So, but if you don't have gold, do not bother yourself. Wear anything nice. Just make sure you appear your best. It is an evening dress that will be required of such occasion. So if you have a lovely evening dress, just look nice, look your best, appear your best. That's what she told us, that we should encourage people to appear their best. And please keep the date in mind. You need to keep it a date. It's on the 20th of October next month. That is when she'll be celebrating her 7th year anniversary. You know, she has a charity organization. So let's all come out to support her. It will be holding in Croydon, Suite 31, Imperial Way, Croydon, London, CRO 4RR. And the color code is Touch of Gold. Dress code on the red carpet. So, you know, you're going to walk on the red carpet. We're going to take lots of pictures. And a lot of you people that has not met me before and that are still willing to see me in person should please join me there that day. I will be on the red carpet. So if you would like to see Abike Jagaban live and direct, I will encourage you to kindly, you know, buy your ticket so you can stand a chance, you know, to have a great time with your CEO here. I will be live and direct there from 7 p.m. So you people should please come. Let's embrace her. Let's show her some love. She's been a mom. She's been a role model. Those are the role models that we should encourage in the industry. She has always been a very good woman. You know, there's virtually nothing we want from her that she would not be willing to give out to us. So, Mommy Abike communication. You, Vinny, I leave your cane inside petrol. Now I go see you behind the door. So, people, yes, I'll be interviewing guests on the red carpet. I'm going to be interviewing a whole lot of you. I'm not going to be shy because then I know I'm in front of camera. So you don't think it's that one you did a party for me and I'm looking at the floor. This one I'll be wearing a hard face. That's so, yeah, come on. Anyway, you all should come home to celebrate Auntie Abike communication on the 20th, you know, of October, and limited seats till end of September. If you don't buy your ticket on time, you are likely not to get a seat. So that's why we are announcing it now. Limited seats till end of September. So I would like some of my own fans to come out and celebrate me in her. You can join me, you know, on my table. I've told you guys that I've got 2 tables. And if I need more, I will let you know. So I'm going to have 2 tables there, which should consist of 20 people. So if you want to sit on the table with me, if you would like us to have a good time together, like you want to hang around your CEO, kindly call me to purchase your ticket on 074-481-66348. You can also contact Polo D on our Facebook Messenger if you would like to purchase the ticket for Auntie Abike's night. And if you'd like to speak to her herself, you can call her on 074-59300-208. Auntie Abike's number is 074-59300-208. You can reach Auntie Abike on that number, you know, to get your ticket. And we will be announcing the venue in due time. I've just told you now, but we'll be pasting the venue on our wall soon, so you all can know where it is taking place. I've told you all where it's going to be happening, right? So don't forget, we're all going to Croydon. Admin, thank you guys, thank you. I can't see you guys thumb up. You need to thumb up for Auntie Abike. You need to show her some love. Can you people please show her some love? Show Auntie Abike some love. Show her some love. She deserves it. I hope the network is not messing up. Yeah, you need to show Auntie Abike some love, you know. She has been doing tremendously well in the industry and also in the society, seriously. People like that are, you know, they deserve to be celebrated. She's a mom. She's an inspiration to a whole lot of us there. These are the kind of people you should call mom, that we can refer to, we can, you know, afford to identify with in the society. She's a mom, she's a grandma, you know, so we should please give her the honor she deserves. Let's all try and celebrate her on that day, on the 20th of October. 2017. It's from 5 p.m. till midnight. So please, people, call me. If you would like to be on my own table, kindly call me so I can reserve a seat for you. Because I have so many people that would like to hang around Abike Jagaban that would love to be on my table. You can also call Yeye Kudi Dolapo Yesufu if you are residing in Dublin. You can call Yeye Kudi Dolapo Yesufu. She's selling the ticket as well. So please, let's embrace this beautiful soul. She's a beautiful woman. She's beautiful inside out. She's got a large heart. She's a mother. She's an inspiration to me particularly. And I'm sure she's an inspiration to a whole lot of us out there. Mama dada ni won, ìyá lálùbáríkà ni won tin ṣe dada, wọ́n tin kó wa jẹ̀pẹ́ bọ̀. So ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká dúró ká fìfẹ́ wọ́n ká gbárùkù tí wọ́n níjọ́ náà ní on the 20th of October next month. Nìyẹn from 5 p.m. till midnight. It is our 7th year anniversary. She's celebrating the anniversary of our charity organization, and the theme for that day will be empowering others and building healthy community, and it will be holding in Croydon. So guys, kindly buy your ticket before she run out of stock. So you know she's using an hall, and the hall should have the capacity that it can contain, and once she has sold out all the tickets, I'm sure she wouldn't want to sell one extra one to overcrowd the hall. We all know how we have to respect the policy of hall usage in this country. So if you want to make use of hall and they give you their terms and conditions, it's better you don't abuse it, because if you overcrowd the hall, there might be problems. So if you know you would like to be in the crowd, I will advise you to quickly get your own ticket now before it finishes. So call me on 074-481 66348. You can also call Auntie Abike on the number I announced the other time, is 074-59-300-208 to purchase your ticket. You can also reach Polo D, you know, on our Facebook Messenger, you know, to buy your ticket. You can inbox me as well. So thank you guys so much for loving, for embracing peace. You know, like I preached in my video yesterday, is that we have to learn to encourage each other, to embrace good things, so that good things can happen for us all too. Thank you so much. God bless you. I have another message for those of you people that are trying to lose weight. You know, this is for the people that are trying to lose weight. You know, I have good news for you. If you have been trying hard to lose weight, if you have tried all within your capacity and it's still not working for you, and you're wondering what else you need to use, you know, I will advise that you go for this Juice Plus support and aid weight loss. It's got to do with a healthy living program. It also supports the general well-being of the body system. So I'm not sure if you have heard about Juice Plus support and aids weight loss products before. So it's called Juice Plus support and aids weight loss. I'm gonna give you the number of the lady to call. I've seen quite a lot of people go for a product and they have lost so much weight. I'm telling you, you need to shed some weight. You want to look slim like me, you need to go for a product. It's really, really good. The people I have introduced to her, more than 20 people on this medium, they have come back to testify that Auntie Abike, you can now broadcast that product. That it is very good. Really, really good. It's quite different from all the things they've been trying before. So you want to lose weight, I will advise you to call this lady on a phone. And the number to call is 074 07044141348. Admin, can you kindly pin this one out there? It's 07404414348. I repeat, 074-04-41-4348 to order for your Juice Plus Support and AIDS weight loss product. You need to call her. If you're trying, yes, I will leave the details on my wall. I will ask my admin to do that later. They're going to post it out there so you people can reach out. We're going to actually put some of the products out there so you can call her. She needs to order for you and give you instructions on how to use them. You know, if you can adhere by the things she suggests for you, I am sure that in another 1 month or two, because this lady used to be a size 18-20 herself and she has come down all the way to 14. It is so amazing. I couldn't believe it when I saw her. She has lost so much weight. She's just like my own size now, and I'm wondering, oh my God, Kilo Lotoya, I even told her it's enough for this one. You have come down too much. I said this one for me is too much, because she used to be really big. You know, when you're so big and you just come down so drastically, to me, I think it wouldn't look good to just come down. The thing happens so fast, just like a magic. You know, it's just like magic. It looks so magical, and I'm like, seriously, you've been taking medication, taking all this weight loss you know, product, and it works so fast for you. I can't believe it. It was so amazing. So you need to call her and ask, you know, for whatever it is that will work for you from her product. Our number again is 074-04-41-4348. Thank you very much, admin. God bless you. So this is what we call empowering each other. They don't have to pay us, but then we have to support our fellow human being in whatever it is they are doing. And if there's anything, no, Abimbola, I'm not a 10, I'm a 12. I'm a size 12. I'm not a size 10. I look slim. No, I just look slim. No, I can't wear 10. This big bobby will not let me wear 10. Now, where will I put this one in 10? The thing will flatten my bobby and it will reduce. I don't want any bobby reduction, you know, looking clothes. No, I don't want to have a bobby. If I have to go into 10, then I may have to go for boobs reduction. And I don't want to go for boobs reduction. It's very there. Reduce the bobby me. Ẹjọ́ ilé reduce bobby mi o. Iná wọn stakeholder tí máa jíṣẹ́ fún pé kí ló reduce bobby rẹ̀. Bobby ẹ ó ń já mi láyà, bobby ẹ ó ń dẹrù tí bá pàdé ẹ. Ọmọ màmú kan ọmọ bó ṣe ń ṣe bó ṣe ń jẹ yànyẹn ó ń já mi láyà. Tí bá pàdé ẹ, ọmọ bobby ẹ. Tí bá bobby ẹ màmú kan wo bó ṣe ju bobby ẹ. Ẹ ṣàmórí yẹn. Only Bobby náà ní nǹkan ilé afford kí Bobby mi lọ reduce yo ara àwọn asset sí oyin nu ẹ sá mọ̀ pé bọ́lọ́run bá ṣe dání náà lèèyàn ṣe mọ́ ń wà ó ṣe jàre ọ̀rẹ́ mi ìgbà yìí lọ lákànkẹ́ á dáa fún ẹ babes ilé afford kí Bobby àwọn Bobby ẹ ń já mi láyà Bobby ẹ ń dẹ tí bá pàdé ẹ ọmọ màmú nǹkan sórí Bobby ẹ ṣàmọrin orin Bobby ẹ ẹjẹ́ o ilé reduce Bobby mi o so ṣe rí ìdìbà tẹ́ pé in gbọ́dọ̀ lọ encourage ní tí mo reduce Bobby o ilé wọ 10 I'm not a size 10 I'm a size 12 because where am I going to put all this heavy weight? Even some small size 12 doesn't go on me. I have to go for a 14, but this one is quite heavy. It's not bra or anything. The thing is plenty. Honestly, even though I still wear some enhancer, you know, nice loving, you know, padded bra, but then I'm quite heavy naturally. Not too much, not like them. Mommy, sister Naomi, Olomu meta, too sexy. My sister mi utin Bella America, too sexy, no pẹ̀lú tí ẹ triangle master. I like àwọn ọmọ èjì Olúwa bùn wọ́n ní ọyàn tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ Èdùmàrè bùn mí lọ́yàn. Èdùmàrè bùn mí ní nǹkan àwa gan ló yẹ kó máa pè ní ìjọ àwọn olúbùnmi ẹ̀rù àyà kèǹgè skingbi. Ọmú yìí náà ní nǹkan ẹ̀jẹ̀ ìrora sọ yín ẹ mọ̀jẹ̀ kan gbọ́ kí mo wí èké ìjọ àwọn ọlọ́mú ní ìjọ èje o. Ọmú yìí náà ní nǹkan ìfẹ́ kéèyàn kankan gbọ́ o. Àwọn ọmú tí ò lè jẹ́ kán pèèyàn lápèta tí mò ń sọ ohun. Àwọn ọmú tó pé téèyàn bá gbé dání wà láì èèyàn lè kọsẹ̀. Bólúwa ẹ bá lè ríru ọmú kó dání orí olúwe ò lè gbà bọ̀dẹ̀. Àwọn boys Ọlọ́run Eke yìí náà ní nǹkan ẹ wọ́n bínú sí mi mọ̀ pé mo wí bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n abárí ohun tí ò yẹ kí n wí bá ti lọ ṣe mistake gbọ́dọ̀ mo dá padà mo withdraw rẹ̀ yín fa padà sí nẹ́nu mi ìwí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ I take it back. Abiola Akiyemi said, you are more beautiful facing the camera. Mo pé mo wí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bí ọmú náà ní nǹkan. Ìsì fẹ́ mọ́ ní yé mọ́ àwọn ọmọ tó pè mí láti America wọ́n ní Abike, we saw you in a different shape. You look like a different person. And we actually enjoyed that side of you. You know, I can get over it. You actually walk over me when I saw that posh side of yours. You know, that your last video was quite inspiring, educative, you know. Benny Musman said, yes, ma. Thank you, ma. Okay, ma. Ade wa. Omu yi na ni nkan toke ojo. Omu yi ni. I need you, I want posh babe. I want to ras. If you just encourage ara rẹ bó ṣe mọ́ múra. Tẹ́ pé ṣe máa go 40 and trendy. The trendiest 40s, the trendiest 50s, trendiest 60s. Rí mama kan níjọ́ birthday mi. She's 61 and I couldn't believe it myself. She was looking smashing in her jumpsuit at 61. Mommy dear now. Oh my God. She's such an inspiration when it comes to fashion. Look at them, Sister Monica, Osim. Look at all of them dressing so nice. Èmi lọ́jọ́ orí mi, ìwà lọ́dẹ̀ra lẹ̀ láyé. Ọmọ tẹ́ ya bá bí ẹ̀yà níjọ. Àwọn ọmọ mi ń láti mọ̀ pé yes. Àwa la bí ọmọ Abike. Ó jọ wá tán ni pé ẹ gbàgbé bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ ọmọ mi, gbàgbé bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọlọ́run. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ mi wìlì. Dodo, nothing do my dodo. Oh. Nothing do my dodo. Oh. Igbakeji Jagaban nìyẹn. Jaga snake, Jaga missile, Jaga bomber, Polo rocket, Polo missile, Polo bomber. Biti more. Ọmọ mi nu tó ṣe fi yangàn. Tí ìran yàn ṣe ẹ ṣá shift. Mo ti máa sọ lóko mi. Ìyálóde tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀. Ọba àwọn tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀ má fi joyè lórí ìjọ yẹn ṣá mọ̀. Thank you, Pastor Robo. How are you? Welcome back to UK. We miss you. We miss you. How have you been? Gbogbo àwọn ará ilé ńkọ́ ṣe dáadáa lẹ bá lé. How about the people at home? And did you meet the people at home? Well, Evo ni. How about the people at home? Gbogbo àwọn ará ilé ńkọ́ ilé lọ́hùn ní Naija. And did you meet the people at home well? Àwọn ará ilé bí inú pé ṣe dáadáa lẹ bá lé. Àti pé gbogbo àwọn ará Naija Ebo ìmọ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá mọ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ translate yo ìjìnlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ni o ẹni bá gbé èbó tó sì lè gbọ́ Yorùbá tó sì lè easily translate ohun tó ń sọ fúnra ara rẹ̀ linguist ní ẹ̀kẹ́ àwọn linguist ẹ ṣàmù àwọn linguist àwọn eléèbó ní Yorùbá tẹ́kù gbogbo rẹ̀ ní òmò yọ̀ lẹ́nu wọn yọ̀lọ̀ bíi ti bí tí ọlá ti lọ àbáyùn ìbá rẹ̀ irú àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ jọ ni àwọn inspiration mi ní ọlá irú àwọn Kẹ́mi Olúnlọ́yọ̀ Kẹ́mi ọmọ olólóló ọláyìn like mo ń kú for some reason I'm glued to Kẹ́mi KNN KOO HNN I love her. I don't know about you but me ìmọ̀ iye èèyàn tí ò like ra mọ́ mi I love her to beat ọláyìn àwọn bí KOO Kẹ́mi Jaga ẹ bá gbọ́ Kẹ́mi Jaga Olújaga òun náà jaga jù èèyàn yìí ni mo like it. You need to see the way she's looking in her 50s. She's looking so trendy, just like my size. So beautiful. Her face, only God knows what she's doing to her. She's so pretty, especially when she's wearing a slight makeup like this. I go, yes. I want pretty, you know, 50 and looking 40. Especially the kind of body that she's got. Kíkẹ́ lọmọ Lábọ̀dé sọ pé Ọlọ́yàn association you follow account. Yes, Alaba, there are some Yoruba words. Ẹ ṣé màámi tí èlé kò ní òyìnbó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣé dáadáa la bá lé o Ìmọ̀ ní tẹ̀sí mọ́ wí very soon sí a máa pa àwọn ọmọ wa náà sórí show a máa gbé fóònù fún àwọn ọmọ wa náà kán máa bára wọn sọ Yorùbá pé ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀ gbọ́ bọ́ ṣe gbọ́ Yorùbá tó àwọn ọmọ èléèbó àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà mi gan náà gbọ́ Yorùbá òun gan wọn gbọ́ Yíbò wọn gbọ́ Bìní wọn gbọ́ Haúsá wọn sì ń gbé nílùú Nàìjà ó bá sọ ọmọ bọ́ àtàwà ń lo òyìnbó pé ẹ má fi Yorùbá kọ́ ọmọ yín o ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ń lé ńkọ́ èbó ni kùrà thank you thank you Kikelamo. Anyway, guys, I'm not gonna be too long here tonight because I have told myself I have to be resuming early to bed these days. No party. I don't want to be partying too much. I need to be relaxed. I'm keeping my face, my body, my shape intact for something big coming my way. And I'm watching my diet. I don't want to go far. I don't want to go slimmer than this. I need this perfect physique, this perfect body for something that is coming soon. Big. You're gonna see your baby in a very different dimension, and I tell you, you all are gonna be proud of me at the end of the day, just like the way you are now. So thank you all for joining me. You should please remember to call that lady that is selling that Juice Plus support and aid weight loss. It's got to do with elder living program. It has supports general well-being of the body system. So call her to order for your own product if you're really willing to lose weight. And this one, me, when I say I'm recommending something, you will come back to tell me on this medium to say, Jagaban, thank you. I have seen a lot of people that it has worked for. We need to work. We need to tone our body, women. We need to tone up. We need to tone our muscle. We need to work out. We need to shed all those weight on our tummy. We can do it. Even if you've got a lot of babies, it does not matter. Me, nko. I'm up you. Síbẹ̀ náà sì maintaining. Kì í ṣe mímọ̀ ṣe Olúwẹ̀. Ẹlòmíì mọ̀ pé it's due to CS. And some people are not even allowed to heat up their tummy or to tie it after baby. Me, I don't tie tummy. I don't heat up. I don't drink pepper soup. The only thing I know how to take is ogogoro when I give birth. I would have taken my dry jeans, shinap. Only that one, no, I don't use anything hot to touch my tummy because I don't want my tummy to wrinkle up. Because I used to have this one when we were growing up. She started, having baby. She started family life before me. So she has heated her tummy with towel and all those. And by the time she had her second baby, her tummy was so irritatingly wrinkled. So that kind of discouraged me. When I asked her, why do you have such a wrinkle? And she would say, oh, molo jonu ni. So when I started having baby, me, I say, I don't want to jonu. I know, to some people, it wouldn't wrinkle them up. And it makes her tummy look so flabby. So me, I said, I don't want to have a flabby tummy. And I don't want to have a wrinkled tummy. So I told her, I'm not going to jono. So I didn't join me. He said, Mom, ogogoro yini. Ati mushinapu. Nobody does it in the Thank you, Sister Naomi. I love you. I didn't know you're online, Sister Naomi, and I've actually done that about to your Bobby. Thank you. You are more sweet, Sister Naomi. Thank you. God bless you. Are you having fun in Nigeria? Sister Naomi is having fun in Nigeria. Otonika shere looking on you for Otonika or not there, your mobi kokomari. I want tell me out here, Jerry, Sister Kudi, ye Kudi Dolapo. But all over, badun. Mommy, shine, baby, characteristics of Raleigh. Thank you, Osas. I love you more, babes. Thank you. So you see, she had fun when she was in Nigeria. You need to see the way she was rocking. She attended virtually all the party that was holding during the time that she was there. She took pictures and she was looking so radiant and happy. And same thing with Sister Naomi. Her Bobby has even increased. When I saw her, I said, Sister Naomi, upon all the heavyweights you carried to Nigeria, now you have added some more. And then she was looking so shiny. You need to see her skin in Nigeria. Sister Naomi is so relaxed. This is what they call learning how to enjoy your life. Not running somewhere and then you'll be watching one show me, one fe pa me, one lay me, mo fe maja, mo fe gbolopa rin, mo fe fi alarm sile, mo fe fi security, mo fe le camera. No, relax. If you give yourself peace of mind, you will sure live with peace of mind. You will have that peace of mind. But when you go about doing wickedness to people, when you go about doing evil to people, when you go about hurting people, making them cry, why won't you be going about with security dog and security guards and police with alarm and camera in your house? Of course you would. Because you can't have rest of mind. Because you know the evil men do. It will always come after them. Even when you are sleeping and you hear bagam on your window. Yes! Kini wagaloju window mi yen. One lé mi, ayé lé mi. Olúwa gbógun tàn tó gbógun tì mí. Ìṣòro ọlọ́jọ́ méje bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ìjẹ́ ò lè rí kémi mọ́ yín Jagaban declare ìṣòro. Wàhálà ìbọn ọmọ ayé bá ti rí. All right. Èmi àti mọ́ ọ̀sùn ìmọ̀ ọrùn dọ̀kátì ọmọ mi náà àti mú ṣọ́ọ̀tì bí méjì. Àwa mọ́ ọrùn ni. Àgàgà Jagaban ó sùn jù lájà. Àgàgà tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pẹ̀pín mi ni. Kó dùn mọ́ mi dáadáa kí n sùn, kí n dà, kí n wá sùn. Kí n tèmi àtìyàn gbà tí ń pààyàn. Tí n sì bá tèèyàn jẹ. Ẹ máa gbọ́, mi ò bá tèèyàn jẹ́ yẹ́ má bá tèmi jẹ́ o. Èmi ò bá tèèyàn jẹ́ yẹ́ má bá tèmi jẹ́. Abike Jagaban gẹ́gẹ́. Ìmọ̀ ń sùn ní àsùndọ́kàn. Bí èèyàn bá ti burú jù tó ń ṣe kàkàkiri wà láì ò lè nísinmi. Ọlọ́mọ tó ní ìyá òun ò ní sùn òun kọ́ńkọ́ ìjẹ́ yóò fojú kan wà láì kò lè fojú korùn. Ẹjọ́ mọ́mọ́ sọ́ra yín ni. Kí ló yọ sí mi? Ta ló ń lé mi? Ta ló ń lépa ayé mi? Ta ló fọ́? Ilé mi sì ní mọ́tò yìí ni. Kódà ilé mi ò ní wíńdò téèyàn kan lè fọ́. Àbíké ẹnu yìí náà ní nǹkan. Ìmọ̀ ń sùn nígbà yìí lọ láàárọ̀ mi. Àsùnpá tí mo sùn sí mo da tọ́ pàápàá ń da lala. Orun ọkàn mi balẹ̀ ni o nígbà tí ń pààyàn tí ń bá tèèyàn jẹ tí ó sáwọn tó ń lépa ẹ̀mí mi kiri mo níjọ́ tí ń bá sùn mi bàjí mo wọ Ọlọ́run ọba bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo máa ń sọ gẹ́gẹ́ nìkan ìfẹ́ kú ní story ìgbà wo ni má kú tá ní òní kú ní ayé gbogbo aládá gbèsè kú kò sígbà tá à ní san kọ́lọ̀ ń jẹ́ ká dàgbà ká dògbó ni àmọ́ bó ṣe wọ Ọlọ́run náà ló ṣe ń ṣọlá náà lálẹ̀ àmọ́ wọ ọkàn tó kọ jókòó ẹ tó wá dédé sọ pé ayé ń lépa ẹ wọn á ní pé kó lọ yẹ iṣẹ́ owó ẹ wò kí ni ìwọ ṣe fáyé táyé fi ń lé ó ṣe jẹ́wọ́ nìkan láyé ń lépa ẹ káàkiri bí èèyàn kan gbà tó máa kọ́ sórí wọ́ọ̀lẹ́ ní ẹni tán pète pèrè pé káwọn sanwó òun délẹ̀ táyé ní olóṣìngbà tí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín ò bá mọ́ ayé ò ṣe ní sọwọ́ yín délẹ̀ bí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín bá mọ́ ni ayé ò ní fọwọ́ yín gboyè pé gbogbo iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín ìdọ̀tí iṣẹ́ burúkú ni èyí tó bá tọkàn jáde one day when you think evil you will do evil you will hear evil and you will also see evil but when you stay out of evil you don't get yourself involved in anything evil there's no how evil will be looking for you about try and stay clean. But nice to all sundry. Be nice to your neighbor. Love yourself. Love your friends. Do not do anything to destroy anybody out there. If you have not destroyed somebody, the person will not be planning revenge after your life. But when you do something evil and you think, no, the evil will come back haunting you. It will taunt you to you. In fact, they don't have to touch you. By the time the thing will be like 1 mile close to you, you will just, voluntarily cross over yourself and die. Some people are so evil. They are so evil that they know the magnitude of the wickedness they have done to people out there. Hence, when they are indoor, they are scared. When they're outdoor, they are scared. You see them going about. Even Oyinbo, I don't think Oyinbo go about to use their dogs for security. No, Oyinbo use their dogs for pets. You hardly see people that carries, dog about for security purpose. No, dogs are meant to be pets. They are meant to be pets, not for security. Oh, go and help me to bite somebody that is attempting to attack me. The dog should attack somebody that is attempting to pull me. No. When you don't do evil, evil don't come after you. The evil men will sure come after them. So when you have destroyed so many people's life out there, when you've bullied them, when you've slandered, you've libeled quite a lot of people, and you think you will go scot-free. Of course, you will always even be scared on your bed. Even in your sleep, you because iṣẹ́ owó ẹ̀ ò mọ iṣẹ́ ibi ló wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Èèyàn bá ti ṣe ibi títí, ibi àwa máa kà á máa ṣe ṣọ́ọ̀rù ọlọ́jọ́ méje. A ní kí ló ń lé ẹ tó lọ fọkàn ara ẹ̀ balẹ̀. Ta ló pa? Yóò ló pa Jésù. Ẹ gbàgbé bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Look at my mommy is online. That's my mom. And I have to change my topic. That's Mommy Abike Communication Online. Good evening, Mommy. Welcome online. I love you. She's Bae, the best Bae ever. I love her so much. And I'm taking after. Look at me. Mommy ni mojo. Any apole. Mommy Abike communication. She's online with us. So guys, can you please show some love to Mommy Abike communication? She's live on, on this chat with us. Can you see her? She says she's here. Oh, Mommy Abike says she's here with us. So you people should show her some love. Show her some love. Show her some love. Let her know she's well appreciated. She is an inspiration to all of us, I'm telling you. Mom, you only work by Lebiti Jesus Christi. Mommy Abike communication. And I have just told you about our charity organization 7th year anniversary that will be coming up on the 20th of October at Croydon. We'll be holding at Imperial House Banqueting Hall, Suite 31, Imperial Way, Croydon, London, CRO 4R, and it's strictly by invitation. Listen, strictly by invitation. You all need to please purchase your ticket before end of September. The ticket is £70 per person, and the reason why it's £70 is because you are going to have a full 3-course meal. You will enjoy yourself, you will drink, you can't be free, but once you buy that ticket, we're going to provide all menu for you, both drink and food. You will eat and eat till you are tired of eating, and you're gonna have drink as well. So let's support her. It's not all about the £70 or all about what we are eating. It's about the love that we have, towards humanity, embracing something good and trying to give a helping hand to the needy out there, to the less privileged ones. So thank you, thank you. So thank you. Thank you, Auntie Abadeleke. Yes, so let's show our mom some love. She's such a very humble, humorous mom. She's so polite, very calm. She's cool-headed. She's got a large heart. Mommy Abike communication is everything we will all wish for, in an elder, in a mother. She's so nice, She's my own source of inspiration to me. When I see that, I say, God, when I grow up, I want to be like Mommy Abike communication. Just like some of the youngsters coming after me always say, we want to be like Auntie Abike Jagaban. I have a lot of people that used to say, we want to be like Auntie Abike Jagaban. She's so stylish, she's trendy, she's eloquent, she's very outspoken. So I see the things that I love in her, that I cherish in her, that I would love, to emulate in Auntie Abike as well. So show us some love, please, people, and let's endeavor to buy that ticket for that day. It's just £70. You can save the money, just £70 per person. And if you want to have a table seat. Like me, I've got 2 tables. That means my 2 tables will consist of 20 people. So if you are a Abike Jagaban fan, if you are my die-hard fan, and you reside in London, and you would like to have another evening with me, with the CEO herself, I will encourage you all to please quickly get your ticket before the end of this month for £65, because we'll be sitting on a round table. So I'm having just 19 people to myself. I'm buying 2 tables from her, which amount to 1,300. It's £650 per table, and we'll be paying £65 each if you want to sit on my own table. So if you are my own guest, you want to rock the red carpet with me, you want to get interviewed by Abike Jagaban, you would like to take pictures, and spend that beautiful momentary, session with us, kindly buy your tickets now. Call her, call Polody, call myself on the numbers that we have given, before now. We've given out some number previously, and let me see if it's posted. Well, my own is 074 481 66348. And you can also contact Dorcas Dodotia on Facebook Messenger. You can message her, let her know you would like to purchase your ticket for Auntie Abike's 7th year anniversary. Let me see. Sorry, people. So contact her, let her know what you want, and we will appreciate you all presence and support on that day. Auntie Yabo, I hope you're gonna be there with me. You have to be there. You better tell them at work now, no shift for that day. Ahead. Do not take any shit. Tell them you must be with Abike this time around, though. So to all of you that has been willing to meet with me, that you did not come to the party, you couldn't make it to my party, this is another opportunity to rock the red carpet with me, to rock it with Dodo, to rock it with Auntie Abike, our mom, our big auntie, you know, on that day. So let's come together to support her. Let's come together to appreciate humanity. Let's come together to show each other love. You all know what we do here. We run a show that lightens up you all world. You know, we run a show that reduces people of stress. You know, so kindly let's come out to support this woman, Auntie Abike Communication. She's a mom to me. Like I've always told you, she's my mother. I love her. So that's how much I love her. I don't joke with her. And when you're looking for how to twist, you know, something for me and you don't know how to twist it, go and meet her. She will tell you how to come about it. That is, yeah, Abike, don't worry. May I know how to wrap around my finger. She's the only one that knows my number, the number to press. Yes, she's got the code. So that's how much I love her. Thank you, Dr. Sadeinka. Dodotia. So Georgia Kagbarukuti, Mommy Abike Communication. She's a woman of substance. She is a woman of great, you know, virtue. So let's support her. Let's be with her. Let's show her some love on that day. There's no other way we can show her some love except to come out because of her on that day. Let the world see that she's got wonderful people from age 18. You know, she's one of us as well. So let people know that she's one of us. She's our mom. She's someone we all look up to. She is a great role model. Someone we all look upon for inspiration. She's spiritually gifted as well. So let's contribute our own little quarter towards humanity. It's not just about the 70 pounds, but how long it goes. It's not all about the 65 pounds, but how many lives is going to touch out there. By the time she finished the show, she's going to send the money back to Africa. It's going to reach a whole lot of people. Sister Lynn Baby Ogundemo, hello my darling sister. You haven't missed much. It's all about inspiring each other, all about empowering each other tonight. So we've been talking about empowering ourselves, and we've actually marketed a whole lot of stuff and products tonight. Yes, that's what we call empowerment. So women empowerment, world empowerment, men empowerment, whatever. So if there's anything you do as well and you would like us to hear, to broadcast for you, call me. And you know that I'm still the No Cyberbullying CEO. We still run that just cause. We will give you advice how to go about it, and of course we'll always lend you our voice. The fact that we're not coming out to face this bully, you know, openly anymore does not mean that we're backing off completely. No, we're still sitting on their case. God bless you all as you support Auntie Abike Communication. It shall be well with us all. Àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní dá láìní. I need láti support wọn. So gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ bá mi jókòó níjọ́ náà, ẹ̀yin pàdé Abike, ẹ̀yin tèmi, tẹ́ fẹ́ bá CEO yín gangan jókòó, tẹ́ fẹ́ bá ya picture, ẹ pè mí. Era ticket yín so that a máa jọ wà lórí red carpet níjọ́ yẹn, you know, and they're gonna show us a whole lot of, you know, pictures from Africa, you know, the less privileged kids. We're gonna get educated, you know, on things that we know nothing about that day. So God bless us. May our children never lack. May they never be in want or need, you know, forever. The Lord will always stand for them when they need, you know, people. So ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, ẹ jẹ́ ká support Auntie Abike Communication. I'm gonna be going off soon. I've not got more than 10 minutes to spend here anymore. I gotta go. Somebody is waiting for me. I can't just be looking sexy like this, yo. Mo bi ti CEO yín fẹ́ gbà sí lálẹ́ yìí o. Kò lè yé yín o. Ẹ ṣá mọ̀. Ìsìn ní rán àwọn tí mo ṣá mọ̀ mi mọ̀ kọ́kẹ́. Ara mi ká rárá, ara mi ká. Láńpẹ́jà sọ. Láńpẹ́jàrò, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ká lámì pẹ́jàrò. Kézàrà mi ìmọ̀ bẹ́yẹ̀ yàn kan sámẹ̀ bọ́ mi o. Wọ́n bá paná sùkú mi farabalẹ̀ paná sùkú oúnjẹ kan ṣe dáadáa yín ṣe tán. Yín ṣe wá padà wá pé you is talking about it. Ta ní ṣe kéèmí gan. Ẹ sáàbọ̀. Anyway, Mommy Abike Communication is showing the appreciation towards you all. That thank you so much, guys. She'll be anticipating that support of yours soon. I know you guys are going to turn up, and I'll be bringing this topic, you know, out again sometime next week. So, Mommy Abike, do you have anything to tell them? So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much, my admin. Thank you, my executive admin. Thank you, my executive members. Thank you, all followers. Thank you, my fans. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Abike Jagaban on YouTube. Also listen to my radio. You know, I have a radio, an online radio. You need to, you know, tune to that Abike Jagaban online radio and see how much fun you're gonna catch there. We've got lots of interesting music, lively music, music to change your mood, to put you in a very good mood. You need to go there and see all this Naija Gbedu. You need to listen to all this Naija hip hop on my radio, Abike Jagaban radio online. When you're driving, just tune it to Abike Jagaban live radio, you know, online. And I've told you I'm launching something big soon. And I'm not allowed to say. Am I allowed? Admin. I'm not allowed to say. Anyway, admin says you're not allowed to announce it until we ask you to do so. So, like I used to tell you that I've got stakeholders. I don't do things just on my own. I have people that I will always be answerable to, and they'll say, Abike! Ẹnu rẹ fọ́tọ́fọ́tọ́ yìí èjì rẹ̀ wọ́n dà pé bí tó jẹ́ òun jẹ́ kọ́lọ̀ mọ́ òjò jáde ṣé àpẹ́kọ̀ mọ́ ti ìzọ́ yín sọ pé ìmọ̀ pẹ́ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ má bínú kẹjẹ́ lọ́kọ́ padà mi ìsọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ ó dá mi ìsọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹjẹ́ lọ́kọ́ padà lórí láìpẹ́ kèmí ìsọ. So we are launching something big soon. Akinola, Abimbola. Now, I ain't allowed to say. Oh, you heard me now that I'm not allowed to say. My executive admin said, zip it up. We're going to launch it soon, you know. Anyway, thank you so much, Samia Takade. Thank you, sister. You will grow from strength to strength too. Thank you. I appreciate you. Bala Preeti. Yes. Okay, they say not yet, it's a secret. Okay, I'll try as much as possible to zip up my mouth not to say. This is a not to say. Don't say thing. Abike, Monica Kavisawo, Untababo, ni money, Yenure, Yipa, Paseki, Pony, the Ojo Metal, Lapo, Fizipu, the Hope, Ewaba Waka, this is Enumi, Yabikini was, oh no, Sanu, you, Odi Yavi, Babi, Mama, Ere, Mama jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ bá mi o. Ìdí jẹ́ fúnra tòlótò ló ṣiṣẹ́ líìlì wà láì. Ìṣẹ̀fẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. Wọ́n pé mọ́ sọ àmọ́ ẹmọ yẹn máa sọ pé ẹnu yún mi. Ẹnu yún mi kí ni máa lò sẹ́nu yẹ wá bá ń wéwé kí n fi kọ̀ntrólù rẹ̀. Ẹnu yìí náà ní yún mi. Ọ̀nà má jẹ́ káwọn àdìmínì gbé ẹnu sí òsínú fọ́rùmù àwọn àgbà pò pé CEO ó dẹ̀ mélòó lápì ọ́ ẹ̀mẹ́ta wo gbọ́kọ́ láti rẹ̀ nẹ́sàn bàbá ń bọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pé kó mọ́ wì mọ́ lọ́mọ tún ọlọ́run àánú ojú ò ní jẹ́ kán rí tọwọ́ bọ̀ náà àánú ojú CEO kò ní jẹ́ káwọn àdìmínì lè gbà wá lára àdìmínì tí ń bọ̀ sútù orí rẹ̀ ní ti sútù Vini àṣẹwò òun ìsìn padà lọ bá Vini bẹ́ẹ̀ drop kámẹ́rà báyìí Vini tèmi tiẹ̀ lájọ wọjà kadì lálẹ́ pé ìwọ ọpẹ́ separate lẹ́gì mi lórí line wàhálà ìwà gbà ìjà yáda Amẹ́ríkà wọn máa wàhálà amẹ́ yóò mọ̀ pé yes ìjà ń bẹ láàrin CEO àti Vini ọlọ́run lálẹ́ yìí you go take yìnbọn wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣáàdúró nu lébẹ̀ yẹn dèmi ò Vini. Okay, look at me, love. I'm not going to say because I'm not allowed to say. I am not allowed to say, but the inner me is compelling me to say. I better behave and zip up my mouth so that when we start to launch the thing, it can look like proper launching. Okay, I mean I will behave. I won't say. I won't say. They deliberately pinned Sister Eileen's comment, so they will say, "I'm not Jeff little in kind here. Come on, in will be mobile. It is a cartel. In go to me, in go to me, okay. In can't got anybody. I won't say anyway. So, guys, I hope you all thank you, Auntie Alaba Ajamale. Thank you so much. Yes. There's no stress on this platform. We should know how to do our thing, how to laugh it off. You know, we reduce our stress on this forum, on this media. We should know how to interact smoothly with each other without having to argue, fight, or go separately with frowned faces. No. we leave this forum smiling and saying goodbye, see you. Eshi momo re ni yun lo beni. Eshamo awe ba yan nu ja si bara wa ja bi Ọlọ́run ma ja rogun ja o. Eshamo igba yi lo lakanke àárín èmi àti Vini ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ẹni máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o a ní sẹ́ǹsì tó dájú ìgbà yìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ẹni máa bá wa dọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o a ní sẹ́ǹsì tó dájú Vini yàásí mílíọ̀nù ni mò ń fojoojúmọ́ ké wàláì ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ẹni máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ wọn o Adémọ́kà Túwálé ẹtù máa wí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni o àní bẹ́ẹ̀ náà kọ́ o. Okay, God bless you too, Even Nelson. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. And I would like to bid you a wonderful goodbye now. I gotta go. It's Friday night, but then I'm trying as much as possible to relax these days. Even if I'm not going out, I try as much as possible to go to bed early. It's another way of releasing, you know, yourself of stress. You go to bed early, you drink enough water, you feed on fruit and vegetable, you make sure you exercise very well. You know, lack of sleep can actually, you know, cause you fatigue. It can cause you a whole lot of stress. You will look stressed. Try to sleep. Ọlọ́mọ ṣe mí ní àdánìkan gbé àdánìkan jẹ àdánìkan gbé nípa lòdì ẹranko orí mi máa ṣe mí látànìkan gbé. Àwọn ẹlòmíì àmọ́ jẹ́ àdánìkan gbé àdánìkan yí kiri. Èmi Àbíkẹ́ àlejò ti pọ̀jù wá lẹ́yìn tí gbàlejò dé ní yìí dáadí. Àlejò yìí ní nǹkan ọlọ́mọ jẹ́ kọ́ta darapọ̀ má lejò gan wá kí mi àwọn mo lóògùn ọ̀wọ̀ tó bá ṣe ń wọlé lẹ́nu ọ̀lọ́ ẹ bá gbọ́. Ojo le ẹ fọwọ́ mi wá mi o ẹ fọwọ́ mi wá mi o ẹ fọwọ́ mi wá mi ìyá ayé ẹ má dọ̀rọ̀ ọba ọdún àtọ̀láyé má dẹ́mi èmi lè gbọ́dọ̀ ẹ mọ̀ fọwọ́ mi wọ̀ mí náà ní alẹ́ ogun ọwọ́ yìí náà ní nǹkan wọlé kó fọwọ́ rẹ̀ wọ́ ọbẹ̀ ìgbàdà wá kẹ́ gbé bọ̀ ẹ̀fẹ̀ orí tí máa kọ́ náà ní ẹ bá ràdà ṣó máa wọ́ kàtàsídì kíkọ́ sọ pé ẹ fọwọ́ mi wá mi kí ni mo fẹ́ fohùn jà wọn tó kọ́ ẹ fọwọ́ mi wá mi o ẹ fọwọ́ mi wá mi ìyá ayé ẹ mẹ́fà aṣọya ọbẹ̀lúwà tó láyé jàmádé mi lè gbọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́run ìwọ̀n bóyá òun yẹn máa ṣiṣẹ́ o bí yẹn bá lọ gbérú ẹ̀ lọ́sọ́dọ̀ àwọn Bayelsa ibi tán ti ń jà lórí epo wà láwọn bẹ̀lúwà rẹ̀ lórí ó ní kọrin yẹn dédé ṣe close. Ọlọ́jà wọ́n ní olóògùn àníyà ọlọ́jà yan wọ́n wúlẹ̀ bí dánú ní o àbí wọ́n láti lóògùn àníyà kí n tó jáyán o ogun yìí náà ní nǹkan mamaláwo of this season ẹ ṣáwọn ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Thank you so much Ajia Olafimiwa. Thank you so much, guys. I gotta go now, everybody. You all should have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy yourself, party if you have to. Do whatever that it is that tickles your fancy. Just make sure you're happy. I love you all. I gotta go. Thank you, everybody. Good night now. Good night. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, everyone.